Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create high-catching YouTube thumbnails with a particular tool. With this tool that I will be revealing today, you will be able to create YouTube thumbnails that pop, grab attention, and set the right tone for your video. If you're a beginner struggling with thumbnail design, or you are ready to up your game in thumbnail design, this video is for you. Without more talk, let's jump right into the video. One of the most crucial parts of running a YouTube channel is creating a great thumbnail. A powerful thumbnail can be the difference between a click and a pass. So, how do you create high-catching thumbnail? Today, I will be showing you how to use Playground to create fantastic and incredible thumbnail within seconds. So, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, you will find these tips helpful because it will save your time a lot. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to playground.com. After signing up, you'll be greeted with this beautiful interface where you can design your YouTube thumbnail. Playground is not just for YouTube thumbnail design. It is a powerful tool and a resource for creating any type of designs, ranging from logo designs, t-shirt design, social media posts, and even ebook cover. Since our interest is in designing YouTube thumbnail, let's go right into it. To design a YouTube thumbnail, you want to come to this search panel and search for YouTube thumbnail. Now, after landing on this page, you will see several templates of YouTube thumbnail. Go ahead and pick the one that relates most to your video. Now, how do you edit on Playground? Playground is not like other tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva where you have to click on one or two elements to edit your design. Playground is an AI tool where you can edit your design by writing prompt. Yes, you heard me right. By just writing prompt, you can edit your design. So you want to come up with a great prompt that actually tells the story of what you are trying to relate in your video. So writing this prompt will help design whatever thumbnail you've selected. Now, as you can see right on the screen, this is the new thumbnail I've generated just by writing prompt to modify the former template. Now, let's check the prompt. Use this thumbnail, but I need you to change the topic to best PDF editors. Represent the image with PDF icon. Then I want you to show red cross, meaning no money. You can also add a subtopic, totally free. And this is the result. This is the former template, and this is the new thumbnail I've created with my prompt. Great, right? All you want to do now is to download your thumbnail. So you want to come to the export button up here to download the thumbnail you've just designed. And right here, you can easily download to your PC. Alright guys, so that's how you can make stunning YouTube thumbnails using Playground and leveraging the power of AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative content tips. And also, you can drop a comment with any questions. If you make a thumbnail using these tips, tag me on your social media and I would love to see your work. See you in the next video. Yes.